Hello folks, welcome back to the Tech Zone, your go-to source for the latest tech news, updates and innovation from around the world. Today we are going to tell you the 6 hybrid vehicles to stay away from buying. Not all hybrid cars are created equal. While some models offer excellent fuel efficiency, reliability and performance, others fall short. With so many options, it can be tough to separate the good from not as good. The 6 models covered in this video, despite their eco-friendly appeal, have demonstrated various issues that potential buyers should be aware of. So let's start. So number 1 is 2020 Ford Escape Hybrid. The 2020 Ford Escape Hybrid is a fuel-efficient SUV that offers great fuel economy, but it has also been reported to have a few significant issues. The SUV's transmission is one of the most commonly reported problems. Owners have reported experiencing rough abrupt shifting, and some have had to rebuild or replace the whole transmission. The second one is 2014 and 2015 Nissan Pathfinder HEV. The Pathfinder Hybrid models from these years experiencing problems with their braking systems and electrical issues. Some owners reported less responsive brakes, which is a major safety concern. Additionally, electrical glitches in the infotainment and navigation systems were common, detracting from the overall reliability of the vehicle. Owners have reported several other common problems with Nissan Pathfinder Hybrid models, including shuddering and vibrating when shifting. There have also been reports of the vehicles not accelerating after a panic stop. The next one is 2011-2015 Volkswagen TR Hybrid. This hybrid was a draw for its speed, but the severity of the recalls were not a good trade-off. The primary problem seen was the lack of drainage under the battery, which caused it to short circuit and in some cases catch on fire. VW determined water could enter without the rear hatch open because the sunroof drains and rear lid seals were not assembled correctly. In addition, there was a recall for a missing clip for the brake pedal pivot pin, which allowed the brake pedal to come off, and another for a leak in the fuel injection system. The next one is 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. The Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid is the only plug-in hybrid minivan on the market. Despite its practically and above average EV range, it's been reported to have multiple recalls and issues with its hybrid battery. Another issue commonly reported by owners is with the electrical system, which could be a significant concern considering the hybrid nature of the vehicle. The next one is 2018 Chevrolet Malibu Hybrid. Owners love the 2018 Chevrolet Malibu for its spacious interior and excellent fuel economy, but some owners have reported engine failures and problems with the fuel sensor. There have also been reports of issues with reduced power, which could potentially lead to dangerous situations on the road. Additionally, there have been 6 recalls for the 2018 Chevrolet Malibu, including one for leaking transmission fluid. Despite some positive reviews, the overall consensus points to reliability issues with this vehicle. Next one is 2017 BMW X5 Hybrid. The 2017 BMW X5 Hybrid is a luxury SUV with strong performance and a luxurious cabin. According to reviews on Edmunds, the vehicle offers a comfortable ride and sporty handling. However, owners have reported having issues with the brakes, such as experiencing pulsation or vibration, and problems with anti-lock system and calipers, squeaking and brake failure. So that's all from today. If you want to read the article, then visit gobankingrates.com. Thanks for watching us.